Today I'm going to show you where the large supermarket is, or the big supermarket that someone call it sometimes. And I'm not talking about the on-site shop, and I'm not talking about Maria's supermarket, which is close, maybe 5 to 7 minutes walk. I'm going to show you the larger one, about 15-18 minutes walk, depending on speed and if you have children with you or not. And I'm going to show you some of the selection there. And if I should recommend any one of these three shops, it's the large one. I will show you a map at the end of this video, but I will also show you how to walk, how to get there. So stay tuned and check out this video, and you will know how to find the supermarket. Lots of people are asking about how to find the supermarket, and I'm not talking about the on-site shop, and I'm not talking about Maria's supermarket on the main street. I'm going to show you where the bigger supermarket is. And just here behind me you can see the satellite area at Blue Lagoon. If you go that way, you are coming to the main area of Blue Lagoon, and if you go that way, you will come to the supermarket, but I will show you. Yet again, main area at Blue Lagoon, satellite area Blue Lagoon, and follow this road. Just follow it 15 minutes till you come to a crossroad, and on the other side of the crossroad you will find a supermarket. So follow me. Just about 15 minutes walk from the satellite area. So we will soon be there.
Vet ni, går inte in där. Går inte in? Ja, det är väldigt lockande att komma hem och liksom köpa och vad det nu är på här så bara. Så det är köpa. Ja. Den är faktiskt jättebra. Säsongen. Var det kul eller? Det går inte. Men som känns. Aj.
After 15 minutes walk, you will come to this crossroad. And when you arrive at this crossroad, you have the big supermarket just on the other side of the road. Easy peasy. So if you need anything and you don't want to shop on the small on-site shop and you want a larger selection than the shop outside at Main Street called Maria's, I think, Maria's supermarket, then you have this supermarket. 15 minutes walk from Blue Lagoon. And this is the large one I have been talking about a lot. People don't tend to find it, but it's really, really easy. Just one road. Walk straight ahead to the cross and over the cross, and you're here.